How's it going, bud?
Good doing?
Good, good.
Guys on that roof. It's wigging me out.
At least they got freaking harnesses at least.
Do we give you any shit with that thing?
Every now and again. It's all good.
Yeah.
I live that dream. I live my life.
I think it's great.
Yeah, freedom's amazing, man. It's one of those things that you can only express once in a while. You too, bud. How you doing, sir?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. I heard it was free today.
You got to catch it when the computer's beat up.
Yeah.
And that happens, unfortunately.
Beat it up right now. Bang, bang, bang.
The weather coming and going, and this stuff gets wet.
Oh, yeah, and then you got to run. Yeah, so you're getting your little thing over here fixed up, huh?
On it.
Nice.
It's going to take a little while, but we're going to be
It's all right.
in and out for a while. You got a wristband, right? Yeah. Then you can go, yeah, go ahead, ma'am. Sure, you're all set.
I heard it. Oh,
Thank you.
Perfect. Have a great day, sir.
Man, good luck.
Oh, I'm going to need it. And as you can see, we're here at the Juno Beach fishing pier here in Juno Beach, Florida. This place is amazing. We're gonna show you the water real quick. It's a little murky, but there's a little bit of a swell out there for those, I guess those, what are they called, skim boarders. But yeah, this place is pretty sweet. It's a great place to come fishing. A lot of big snook, a lot of good YouTubers out here. And we're gonna go out and try to catch a fish. So let's get to it. And then we got a little storm out here as well. As you can see, it's a little squall right there. But hopefully it stays that way and not come this way. But that's all right, I got nothing but time today. How y'all doing? Oh, I'm living that dream. Living that dream, man. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Living the dream, living the dream. Tons of mullet under this pier. But I ain't got no live bait, but that's all right. We'll see if they get a bite. Anybody catch anything?
Spanish, Mike.
Spanish, huh? Nice. If you can see that, everybody, you can basically walk on mullet right now. So many. That's all right. We're gonna figure it out today. Yeah. Where you from, man? Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, I've been here a couple. Huh?
You want to put a video up there in like Titusville?
I've put up videos all across the state, but yeah, I've been to Titusville. Yeah, I got arrested there. It wasn't fun, but they learned. That's all I could ask for, is they learn. See what it is, man. Oh yeah. It's a nice Spanish. How's it going, bud?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm living the dream, man. Living the dream.
Going on, or?
Yeah, people catching mackerel. I was looking for something else, so I brought all the wrong bait.
What are you looking for?
I was looking for snook and tarpon, but
Oh,
the tarpon are just so close under here, and there's
tarpon. I don't think I could handle a tarpon.
yeah, well, I'm hoping not to catch them, but they're there. When tarpon are there, you got the chance of catching one.
That's true.
Well, good luck to you, man.
What kind of bait are you looking for then?
Well, something hard, something that is not gonna, like this right here. That's what the mackerel did to my bait.
Oh, wow.
And they just bit it right off. So now this is,
Mackerel did that?
yeah, they got real sharp teeth.
Wow.
Yeah, so wrong bait. Need something a little bit harder than this.
How about, you're not looking for metal, anything like that, do you? Or?
Huh?
I have all kinds of in here. I don't know what.
Oh no, I'm good. I'm gonna friggin' go to a little deeper water and see if I can't see something down there, and if not, on to the next spot.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Have a good one, bud.
Yeah, you too.
Good luck. Ugh. That's a tarpon. Yeah. Like I said, they're a little too straight up and down for me. But
I guess this spot is just as good as anyone. I might as well.
yeah, you might as well start somewhere, right? You're not fishing. You can't catch nothing with a line in the water, right?
What are you on duty?
No, I'm just out here fishing.
I see you.
Oh yeah. While you're fishing, hunting, and camping, it is lawful for you to actually open carry here in the state of Florida.
What's that?
While you're engaged in fishing, hunting, or camping,
Yeah.
it is completely lawful to open carry your firearms while you're out there.
Yeah.
If you don't have a concealed weapons permit, completely lawful.
Wow.
Most people don't know about that law. I go around the state. What's up, guys? Yeah, I go around the state of Florida doing this, and just to show people that, hey,
You're on duty.
no. Well, I mean, I guess I'm on duty, but I'm not really. I'm not a law enforcement officer. I'm not military. I'm just a average Joe that loves fishing. Come on in, come on, dude. Don't be scared. It works better if you get closer so that it looks really, really good.
I didn't decide until I got back there.
Yeah, you're good, man.
Cool, man.
Hold on, we got to get the Glock in there too.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, man. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Cool. Nice to meet y'all.
Have a good one.
You too. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Good luck. Oh yeah. How y'all doing? Oh, I'm living that dream, man. Living that dream right now. Oh man. There's a dinner fish right there, boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Big old itty fish. GoPro, stop recording.